Captain America The Winter Soldier marks the first MCU film directed by the Russo brothers, and boy, oh boy, aren't we all thankful for those two. They are great at mixing superhero stuff with heavy, dramatic tension, like so well. The story follows this conspiracy around the spy organization SHIELD and the mysterious threat of this Winter Soldier character. And although the plot twist was known to comic fans, it still proved essential for upcoming movies as this element of tension between Steve Rogers and other MCU characters. We get amazing action sequences, a really well written plot, and stressful, high stakes. We also get the introduction of Sam Wilson, aka the Falcon, played by Anthony Mackie. And yes, this is an almost flawless superhero film, so it deserves a B plus.